Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to be using the Kinky curling custard. But first things first, if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
All my old time subscribers, I love you. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video as well. Oh, hold up. First, second, okay? If you are not subscribed, go ahead, sis, and click that button down below. Become part of the fam bam. We have fun over here. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. So, like every natural, we have probably started out with the Kinky curling custard. Like I promise you, 2009-ish, I probably tried this out because this was like one of the only products besides Miss Jessie's at the time that was like really popular, you know, in the natural world. I have already used this on my daughter, but I've not used this on myself. This is why everything else is broken and all that good stuff. So I'm excited. Because custards never work well on my hair.
I mean, ain't that a blip?
What happened? We're gonna go ahead and give it a go. Okay, so I first want to blame my girls, Kimberly Sherelle, all right, and Jalen, Natural Rain. This has been sitting in my stash for I don't know how long. Like I just have stuff, obviously. They made some videos on it and stuff. I'm like, y'all gonna really make me try this out? It's been in my stash. Why not? I really don't know what to expect. It's been such a long time. I personally don't have to get my hair soaking wet to achieve a good wash and go.
Boy, if you don't...
I do if it's a product that my hair is not used to, or it's a custard. We just really don't do well with custards, so I want to apply my hair on soaking wet hair, which is a tip, obviously, if you are not familiar with the product. I would definitely try it on super wet hair. You know, it's one of those slimy consistencies. And we're just gonna go ahead and rake this product in. It's a whole lot of slip for me. But I'm really curious to see how this gel, because people, you know, have been swearing by this gel or by this custard for years. So even with the custard, I'm still going to get my roots. So it's actually not too bad. Like it's really actually getting all of my curls. You know, I don't be knowing the real test until it drops, okay? So I ain't gonna get happy or nothing like that. Nothing like that. On the back of the bottle, if you've never used it, it does give you specific directions according to the thickness and your hair texture. So for thick curls, they're telling you to make sure your hair is dripping wet. That's the first thing it says. Hair must be dripping wet. And for looser curls, you can apply to damp or wet hair. So I do have loose and tighter curls, but I'm gonna follow the Kinky one. So I'm taking about that much and working it through. It just feels like I don't have to do much. I've never put just like a little bit of product in my hair and my hair to look like this. Like this shiny, wow. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna come out.
I don't need this right now.
So my hair feels...
I don't need this right now.
It's hard to explain. You can already tell this is just not gonna come out.
I don't need this right now.
It's not. It's not. Let me show y'all how much I used. About half of this jar, and this mess is $16.99. We already knew that Kinky curling custard is expensive because it's a natural styling gel. I air dried the majority of the day, so it's getting late or whatever, so I'm gonna go ahead and just finish it. So this is before stretching it. Normally I would get, you know, dolled up, you know, face to be made up or whatever, but honestly, y'all, I just didn't feel like it today because I'm like, this just ain't like my hands. Let me go wash my hands real quick. Hold up.
The next day.
So this is the next day. Still don't like it. I thought, like, you know, if I put some makeup on, you know, I'm saying, get myself together a little bit, it might help your girl out in a way, but no. I have a ton of frizz. The one thing that I will say is that it's a lot of fullness thereof, m.a.d. Yeah. Will I ever try it again? I may try it underneath another gel, as I think it might do something. I don't know. Alone, no. In 2019, I'm just gonna give up custards because I've been trying to make them happen and make them work, but my hair just likes gels, and I feel like when you know what your hair likes, stick to it. You know what I'm saying? Like, you ain't gotta do a whole bunch of stuff. You feel what I'm saying? I think everyone and their mama, aunties, cousins, and usher board has tried this gel, or this custard, excuse me. But if you haven't and you want to test it out and your hair likes custards, your hair likes jellies, it's gonna work great for you, because even for my hair doesn't like custards. You know, for me not to put a whole bunch of product on certain areas, I still got definition and shine. My hair feels very, very moisturized. The stickiness went away, so yeah, but it's just not like, you know, you can see like right here, it's just not how I personally wear my hair. I like more definition. I don't mind frizz, but you know, I don't want to pay, you know, 17 bucks for a product to get frizz. Like, you know, I'd rather make my own frizz. Amen. Yeah, so that's that. I tried to see how second day was gonna treat me, and I'll be washing it out soon. Amen. But other than that, this is what it is, y'all. So let me know your thoughts and how you use your Kinky curling custard. If you still use it, you know, let me know your thoughts down below. Let's chat. I do talk back, I do chat back, so talk with me down in the comments and let me know your thoughts. And thank y'all so much for watching. I love you guys so very much. See you guys in my next video.